Well, gang, we ran out of wood again. Actually, we didn't run out of wood. We have plenty of unseasoned wood, but I ran out of seasoned wood. So I started making phone calls around to different people on FaceB Marketplace who said they had seasoned wood and it'd be a cord. So I started doing some shopping around. And frankly, man, am I disappointed. Disappointed in our fellow Woodhounds. You know, one of the things they say, they have a full cord. And when I took a look at it, one guy only had a little bit over half a cord, and he wanted a full cord price for it. To be honest with you, I just walked away. Didn't get it. We tried to negotiate downward, but it wasn't far enough down in price. So I just walked away. Well, lo and behold, I had a guy call me back who said he had a full cord and he delivered to me. So he delivered to the wood yard. To be honest with you, I was a little skeptical about bringing it to the wood yard because how do I explain I'm a firewood company buying firewood from other firewood guys? You know, it seems a little bit odd. But you know what? Most of the guys I run into that I bought from want to sell me more. So, which is good. But the guy brought me some firewood that was 12 inches in length. I can't deal with that. I mean, my Cracker Barrel account requires, or they ask for 22 to 24 inches, and nobody really sells that or manufactures that or splits that, which I'll talk about a little later on. But I was really disappointed in what I got. Now, the guy dropped it off, and initially checking with the moisture meter, it was ringing around 20, 21%, a couple 14%, etc. But when I split it open, it was 28, 29% moisture. These are the small little logs. That's what I have equivalent of. So basically, I just put money in the bank that we'll have to sell later. So I just couldn't flip it that quickly. So I contacted another guy, and he had either 22 inch, or which was seasoned. He said it was covered, or 20 inch, which was not seasoned. So I said, I'll buy the 22 inch. So he brought it over, and it was, honestly, it was really good wood. Perfect for Cracker Barrel that I needed. So, because they asked for something large, and we basically dropped off a cord of firewood to them at Cracker Barrel. It was good to be able to load them up with a cord. And honestly, this might be the end of the season for them, because they normally run into April, but only when the temperatures dip below 50 do they put a fire inside the restaurant here. So, but one of the things I'm really drastically, shouldn't say upset, because I'm not really upset, disappointed is more like the word. One thing I'm really disappointed in is those people that won't return a phone call. Just simply won't have the decency to return either a phone call or a message sent to them on Facebook. And several of you know how you can check whether they have even seen your message. They don't even do that. They don't look at that. I was like, so what? Why do they even have it? And they continue to promote what they have on Marketplace, but they won't respond to maybe they take a look at my profile and see that I'm owner of York Firewood, or that I'm associated with York Firewood. Maybe that's why they won't return the call, which I can understand that. But just the same, hey, every dollar's green that I know, and I hope that they would really be able to say, hey, I'll sell to anybody. So a couple guys I checked with, the one guy that had the 12 inch, he says that's what he's been cutting them at because more people have been asking for smaller wood, which makes sense. Sounds like he's got his pulse on what's going on in the marketplace. But he said he would provide me with rounds that are 18 inch, 16 to 18 inch. And I said, if you can provide me with rounds with that, that saves me a step. And his price, he said, for that was frankly pretty good for a cord of rounds. So I might be going that route to what makes sense, and then just split from there. So, and then we'll have wood for the future. And then when Danny and I got to get back to stacking stuff. So, yes. Anyway, here's a little bit of stacking, a little bit of splitting for us, and what we've done. And you see some of the wood we got that we've been able to pick up from that one guy that gave us 22 inches. And it was good stuff. It was really good firewood. And he gave me actually a little bit more than a cord. And I am really pleased with that, because that's the kind of service that I give. And it would be nice to get that back. So anyway, y'all take care and enjoy the video.
Have a good day. Woo!
Okay.